articulation. The head is on the ball joint. The arm is ball pins. Hello everybody! I'm here with an unboxing for my package I got from Airsoft Megastore. Hopefully you cannot see my address. Nope, you cannot read that. So yeah. Alright, so here we go. I just got this. UPS just dropped it off. For anybody who doesn't want to watch me open this with, you know, just by hand or whatever, skip the video just by a couple seconds or whatever, by a minute, and you'll see me getting right into it. Huge box, very big box. I have to give them that. Oh, it turns out that they like custom made the box, so it's like bigger, I guess you can say. Like the sides, as you can see, it's like a lot bigger. Woo! Alright, so Airsoft Megastore. Okay, one package. Oh, here's all my accessories. I'll show you the accessories. Spare 300 round magazine. Hopefully you can see that. Oh my gosh. 15 air cartridges for my CO2 pistol. Hopefully you can see that. Yet again, more. A mag pull for my extra magazine. And 8,000 rounds of golden ball BBs. So, all that, and the gun. So, BY803T. Is there any tape on it? Yes. There it is. By the way, I've been waiting all day for this, so I'm super psyched. Oh my god. Here it is, guys. Tells you to not overcharge your battery. Instructions. A book in, I think it's English as well as Chinese or whatever. And the gun. So all the accessories come below it. Here's a battery. The 1200 battery. A crappy like charger. Do not use this. Very bad charger. Get a smart charger as soon as possible. A barrel extension, or people like to say a flash hider. I prefer putting this on. A barrel rod cleaner, or if it gets jammed. One high cap wind-up magazine, same as my other magazine that I bought, which is also a high cap. Crappy BBs, throw these out or use them for airsoft grenades, which is what I'm going to use. My friend knows what I'm talking about. And the Ford grip, or Forge grip, whatever you want to call it. It's snowing right now. So yeah.